So hey guys, good afternoon. So my name is Danielle. I'm actually the female who was shot by the female soldier downtown 6 years ago on East Green Street. Yes, and just to let you guys know, I have not yet gone to the court or anything. I've been getting the runaround since from lawyers, JDF, the police, basically everyone. I even wrote to the DPP.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So it seems like right now is the time where everybody is speaking out against the authorities of Jamaica. Whether it be the JCF or the JDF, everybody are throw them in the hot seat right now. Because this video I'm about to show you is of a young lady who is explaining that she was shot a few years ago by a member of the JDF while downtown. And since then, she has not gotten any form of justice or compensation, and she just get the runaround. So right now, she just talk out. People, me not gonna do too much long talking. Listen to what she have to say.
But let me tell you how it all started. So it was August 5th, 2015. I went downtown to get a cake for my son's first birthday. Well, I was actually going to Price Mart, but I had to meet my coach on East Green Street to take me to Price Mart. So while I was walking, just before, I think about 2 wholesales before the mothers, I heard a gunshot. So I was walking with my cousin, so I told her that, hey, gunshot that, I could beat it inside the mothers. Anyways, we try run go in there and me drop at the front because apparently at that time I was shot. So I realized I'm up on the ground and I hear screaming, and so I just pray. I prayed and I asked God not to let me die, because you know I have to get back home because I want to see my son. I want to be able to live to see my son. So I basically prayed and God answered my prayer. And so when I heard my cousin screaming, I said, girl, why you cry? And she say, you get shot. So me say, me get shot? Alright then, cover it up. So, you know, quick thinking. Then a security who was standing at the front handed me a purple kerchief, and I put it on. I was holding my ears because I thought the shot, I felt the blood running from my ears, so I thought that was where I really got the shot. But anyways, let me show you guys. So I actually get shot under my eye, and then it exits through my ears. So the ear, I must congratulate the doctor at the hospital who stitched my ears. It's not really visible, but it was torn in two. All my facial bone was completely broken. Like I had to do therapy to get my mouth to open again. If you realize one of my eyes is smaller than one, that's the effect of the bullet, caused it to swinge and so forth. And yes guys, I feel pain in it up until now. I have to take an eye drop like it is my food. Yes, so this is it. This is what I have to use, and then I have some other ones that I use along with it. This alone can cost you up to $8,000. That's with an health card, just to let you guys know. So sorry about that. So I actually cannot see well nor hear well on one side, but I have my glasses and stuff, so you know that goes. Anyways, so back to the story. So in 2015, when I spent 2 days at KPH. First of all, when I got the shot, I got up and I helped myself. I helped myself into a car until the police came and take us to the hospital. Another guy had gotten shot, and he died on my foot going to the hospital. He was on one of my foot, so he died while we were going to KPH. And when we got to KPH, I did not give a statement to the police until about August 25th. The incident 20 days after, and that is after I've written to the person, the SOIC at Central. So I think it was August 11th. I went to the public. I went to Indicom. My family. It was a Tuesday morning. My family took me to Indicom, you know, just to relate the story, because since she's a serving member and whatever. So when we went to Indicom now, Indicom said they cannot do anything about it. We need to go to the public defender. Went to the public defender and I gave my statement August 11, 2015. They told me that they will contact me, but I did not hear from them. After trying to reaching out back to them after a little time, they said I got a letter from the person who took the statement to say that his supervisor advised him to desist from going forward with the case. So the alternative was to file a civil lawsuit against her. Yes, because they are saying that she was on her she was not working, but the person is a part of the intelligence unit. You and I both know that intelligence unit doesn't wear uniform. They're always working. So basically that's just a cover-up. First and foremost, when I came out of the hospital and I went to Central Police Station, I was laying in the back of the car because at that time I couldn't sit up or anything. I had to lay down because I didn't have any balance or anything. So I had to lay down basically, and then my face was broken. My facial bones was broken, so I had to stay one place. One of the police people went in the car and say, like, my family got out, my mother got out and say, hey, come about the incident that took place on Wednesday, because this was the Friday and my daughter got shot and whatever. One of the police peep inside the car and him burst out an expletive and say, are the woman that? My thing says she did, and him walk away. And everybody was so upset over it that we just drive out of Central and go home. Anyways, long after them come and me had to take the statement, because like after writing to them and so forth, calling them finally come take the statement. When the police came, the investigating officer and two other police came there to take the statement, it was like I was on trial. They were telling me, well, the investigating officer was telling me what happened. Bear in mind, he wasn't there. So I'm saying, are you telling me or you're asking me? Because basically it looked like I'm in a trial. At that time, I had gotten a lawyer to come to be in the presence while I was giving my statement. Because, to be honest, I never got unconscious. So, I never forgot no. As I tell you now, I can tell you the story over and over like it was yesterday. That's how I remember it. So, when the lawyer did it, and in the lawyer said, well, we'll see you in court, because how you behave, you know, is like I am not the victim. So basically that happened there. So that's at 2015. Fast forward to 2016, nothing. I keep on after call him, I write letter. I've written to the Prime Minister, I've written to the DPP, I've written to the Public Defender, I've written to Indicom, I've written to the Commissioner of Police. And it's basically, well, lawyers on top of lawyers. Every time I go on lawyer and them listen to the case, them tell me, say, I'm going to contact you and whatever. And them don't get back to me up until today. Or if you do go back to them, then tell us, I don't think it's feasible. You know, something like that. So basically everybody just giving me the runaround, because I guess people are afraid of exposing the JDF. Well, I've been in contact with several soldiers, and you know, some of them even advise me not to follow up with the case, because due to the heights of the corruption, what basically can happen is them can come kill me and come kill my family. Yeah, that's what they said, to be honest. Those were the exact words. Me have to be careful, me have to know what I'm doing. One of them even did tell me, say, you know, because me did go JDF, go make a report, a formal report. And I spoke to a colonel, and somebody that know that I went there said to me that the colonel was asking information, you know. Basically they want to know my background. So you want to know I am thinking you want to know if I have money or not, or you know, basically that. So I just say there's no justice in Jamaica for poor people. The poorer class, from you're not up in society, you don't have any from you're not up into society, you will not get the justice you deserve. You will be cheated on by the justice system. Basically there will be no justice there for you. So it's been 6 years. I'm yet to see the door of the court. Sounds like Joe, but it's actually true. I'm yet to see the door of the court. I'm yet to see. I have not been contacted by the JDF since the incident. I was the one who went there twice, to be honest. So basically, lawyers don't want to take the case. The justice, the DPP is not doing anything. The police fail to carry out their job, and it's just another citizen who has lost or been cheated on by the system. Yep. So that's basically it. 6 years, no justice. Feel pain every day, same way. Sometimes my eye hurt me, run water. You know, right now, man, I'm on 3 different eye drops. These 2 plus this one, and that's just basically like my food. I have to take pills for when I get off balance, because as I tell you that my ear, the shot went through my ears, so that affect my balance. Things that I used to do, I cannot really do them to the best of my ability anymore. Yeah, basically that's it.
Now, after listening to everything that was said in this video, viewers, I want your feedback. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this one. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.